Good morning, folks. In today's segment, we'll be talking about Ethereum's price and really trying to answer this question: are there any bullish signs emerging? And more importantly, where are those important support and resistance areas which are known as your buy possibilities or your selling opportunities? So let's dive further into this. Before we do that, as always, it is important for me to go through this brief disclaimer, which is right in front of you. Now, as always, what we're going to do is we're going to bring out the MT4 platform and begin the conversation by looking at the daily time frame. I'm just going to move everything out of the way. So just to focus on the price and the price itself. So on the daily chart, we have three different moving averages. Number one, it is your 50-day simple moving average, followed by that is your 100-day simple moving average, and finally your 200-day simple moving average. Now, if you are unsure of how to put these moving averages on the chart, you just go over here, indicators, insert indicators, then move it on to trends, and from here to moving averages. From here you can change the period, like for instance over here you have 10, you can change that to 50, change the color to pink, and so on. But so that's how you have these moving averages on the chart. Now, why have I chosen these three moving averages, these three numbers? Well, if this is a great point where I can just make a small intro about myself. I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this time period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon and as an equity trader with Bank of America. So, folks, during this time of my experience at these investment banks, we always kind of focus on these three moving averages the most. Why? Because it always gives good indication who is in control of the price. As long as the price continues to stay above these moving averages, like it did over here, it shows that the bulls are in control of the price, and any violation shows that the weakness is creeping in. Like over here, when the price broke below the 50-day simple moving average, it was clear that the price is moving to the downside. Bears are losing control of the price, as you can see at a later stage over here as well. Price started to move lower. Now, the price for Ethereum is in battle to break up, or let's say stay above the 200-day simple moving average. This is quite a critical one, because if the price can stay above the 50 200-day simple moving average, that can confirm that the price is likely to move or stay above that those the you know it, the bulls can control of the price, can keep control of the price. But of course, I'll discuss why are we thinking that okay, bulls may be back in town, and maybe why the bullish signs are emerging just in a bit. But just as a reminder, if you like the content, if you like what we are really discussing here, please do hit that smash that like button. And remember, markets do change, and that means that you need to subscribe to our channel so that you get all the important news and analysis. Now, where is that, first of all, that important support zone? So for me, the first area of support zone is really is right over here. So I am more focused right around this particular area over here, where the rally sort of initiated initially, and this area was retested more or less by the price right over here, and it has been retested twice by the price over here as well. So that is the area for us, which is very much in focus in terms of a price action. So once again, those numbers, those in terms of a support zone, they are as follows: 1536 to 1731. Now remember, once again, as a reminder, that if the price can stay above the 200-day simple moving average, that shows that the price is more likely to move to the upside. Now, why do we think that bulls are about to take the control of the price, or they have taken the control of the price? Well, those signs are coming from the 30-minute time frame, and that comes in the form of two different patterns. What are those patterns? As follows now. First of all, we are about to see the 50-day simple moving average about to cross above the 100, 200-day simple moving average right over here. So this shows that bulls are taking control of the price. Secondly, as you can see right over here, after a great struggle, the price has been able to break above all the important moving averages such as your 50, 100, and finally taking out of that 200-day simple moving average to the upside. Now, of course, there could be a little bit of a retracement, but then as long as it stays above these moving averages, we are likely to move to the upside. And finally, another bullish signal is also coming from the 4-hour time frame as well, where the price is about to break above the 50-day simple moving average. Again, if the price can stay above this one, then we are likely to see further moves to the upside. So we'll continue to monitor that, and make sure that you subscribe and smash this channel, the like button, because by doing so you'll get all those important analysis. So once again, to summarize, the price is looking a lot more bullish on the 30-minute time frame, where it has broken above the important moving averages. In terms of a 4-hour time frame, we are getting the bullish signals over here as well. In terms of the daily time frame, it is all about the 200-day simple moving average, and this is our support zone. The resistance in this case is really going to be near around that 2700 price level, and I will mark that by this particular line. That's all for now. See you guys next time.